Measure, evaluate, and compensate in advance for process variations that can occur during your machining process using NXCAM's easy-to-use on-machine probing operation. The operation is created using the probing template. The dialog consists of 4 sections showing probing-specific parameters. First, there's probing geometry. Here you specify the contact surfaces of the geometry using either surfaces or points, which are to be touched by the probe. Second, we have part stock. Here general stock is specified, which will be applied to the selected geometry. Third is cycles. Measurement cycles are evaluated based on the selected geometry information, and the possible cycles are shown in the table. And lastly, we have probing parameters. Each measuring cycle has fixed parameters defined by the machine and/or controller manufacturer. In the first step, one or more phases must be selected. The selection must only consist of phases that can be processed as a measurement feature within one cycle. After selecting the phases, the operation automatically searches for the possible measurement cycles. These are then listed in the table. Once a cycle is selected, you can access the individual input parameters by clicking the probe icon. There are different parameter possibilities and probe position specification. Once the desired entries have been made, the toolpath can be checked using toolpath animation after the operation has been generated. Furthermore, the selection of the geometry assignment can be changed at any time. Based on the selection, the table with the possible cycles also changes. Modification in the parameters are updated and, if possible, displayed in real time in the toolpath. As on the real controller, there are several selection options in the parameters, some of which activate submenus. The probing toolpath can be simulated as well if a machine simulation with integrated measuring cycles is available. The post-processed ANSI code consists of macro calls which activates the measuring cycle.